In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable image zoom on product pages using the Shopify Dawn theme. We'll go through the process step by step, so you'll be able to follow along easily and make the necessary adjustments to your online store. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's admin page. You can do this by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Once you're in, you're ready to make some changes. Next, on the left-hand menu of your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store. This section is where you can manage themes and customize the appearance of your store. After you select Online Store, a list of options should appear underneath, among which you'll see Themes, the realm where all the design magic happens. Now you'll see your current live theme listed, which should be the Dawn theme if you're following along. To make changes, click the Customize button. This action will take you to the Theme Editor, a powerful tool within Shopify that allows for customizing the look and feel of your online store without having to write any code. Inside the Theme Editor, you'll want to focus on the options at the top of the page. Click on Home Page, which surprisingly is where you'll also find settings related to the overall store, rather than just the home page itself. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand sidebar, which contains all the different sections you can edit. Navigate to the Products option in the sidebar. Clicking this will reveal all the available product-related settings, helping you adjust various aspects of how your products are displayed to customers. In the Products section, find and click on Default Products. This selection will apply your changes to the general product page template, ensuring consistency across all your product pages. Now it's time to select a specific product. Click on Product Icons. Hi. And you should see a preview of how a typical product page looks. Pay attention to the settings available on the right, particularly the sections allowing you to modify different elements of the product display. Focus on the section labeled Zoom. Disabling zoom is straightforward and just requires unchecking any boxes that indicate image zoom is turned on. Removing image zoom helps in maintaining a simple and clutter-free visual experience for customers who browse through your product photos. And with that, you've successfully disabled image zoom on your product pages using the Dawn theme on Shopify. Remember to save your changes before exiting to ensure your edits are applied to your live store. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you can now adjust your Shopify theme effortlessly. Feel free to explore other customization options within the theme editor to further enhance your online store. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.